local weather authority forecast.
A duality in the seasons will be the big story across the basin, and feeling like winter in northern and eastern areas, feeling like early to mid-spring in southern and western areas. The Tall City feeling like winter this morning. This is a live look on your Wednesday morning at the Tall City. We do notice very thick low-level clouds, mist as well. And with the gloomy weather this morning, temperatures will be on the chilly side of things, and we could be seeing even rain in parts of the basin later today, as we have been seeing that throughout the past 12 hours. From Van Horn, Carlsbad, Hobbs, we had an isolated storm pop up near Big Lake that has since moved off to the east, but we do notice a lot of clouds across the basin. It'll keep northern and eastern areas, mostly north and east of the fork between I-10 and I-20 on the chilly side of things today. That's also because of northeasterly winds, a sneaky cold front moving out through. 12-mile-per-hour northeast wind right now in the Tall City. 18-mile-per-hour sustained wind out of the northeast in Big Spring. Overcast skies right now. 50 degrees in the Tall City right now. And with the northeast wind at 12 miles per hour, that 50-degree air temperature feels like the low to mid 40s. Make sure you guys bundle up. Mid 40s right now in northern areas, lower 50s in the Trans-Pecos and in eastern areas of the basin, but it's actually sitting at 68 right now in Dryden. That's 63. Low to mid 50s elsewhere in southern areas of the basin. They'll be warming up from Marfa, Alpine, Presidio, even the Chisos Basin in the Big Bend region. 70s and even low to mid 80s, but struggling to reach the 60s in Fort Stockton, 40s and 50s during the afternoon in northern and eastern areas. So again, heart of the basin, pretty moderate in terms of those temperatures, but elsewhere pretty extreme, either on the cold side or the warm side. Temperatures dropping just a little bit by the morning commute with mostly cloudy skies. Cooler even later this morning in the afternoon in the Tall City. Pretty chilly at 45 degrees with patchy fog and mist. It might warm up just a little bit once again later this afternoon with warm air aloft. With the humid weather, we could be seeing a slight chance of thunderstorms, but either way, very chilly with leftover showers and breezy conditions later this evening, as once again temperatures will drop overnight. Now we are going to be seeing again the gloomy weather from much of the basin, the overcast skies, but again southern and western areas warmer than northern and eastern areas. Most of the storm activity from Fort Stockton to Big Lake, but most of it will be in northern areas of Texas and also in Oklahoma City, with overcast skies and drizzle and mist overnight. Very gloomy overnight in the 40s with east northeasterly winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. But those winds switching a little bit more from the south and east later tomorrow morning. That'll gradually warm things up. We'll start to see that by the morning commute at 49 degrees in the Tall City tomorrow morning. Eventually warming up pretty nicely in the 70s despite overcast skies. A little bit drier compared to today. Even drier on Friday, still pretty mild in the 60s and 70s. Warm, mostly sunny on Saturday, but cooling down Sunday and next week. But we got to get through the mist and stormy weather potentially later today.